Jack from VFXHUT, here to teach you how to use Cinema 4D for basic modelling. So if we go to layout and go to model, it's changed the interface. Ooh. So these are your basic modelling tools down here. I'll go through a few of them because it's a basic modelling tutorial, and let's start with a cube. So if you're new to Cinema 4D, you'll realise that you can't do anything with this. So you have to poke this button, which makes this object editable. And then you've got points, edges and polygons to pick from. So for this, I'm going to show you by pressing Ctrl A, selected edges. You can select all the edges, and then we can use the Bevel tool. This allows us to then bevel edges like this. And then you've also got settings over this side. So if we zoom in, we can change the subdivision to make it a lot more smooth edges, and you can just finely adjust. So that is the bevel side of things. Then we have inner bevels. So if we click this, we can do this sort of thing, and then we can use the extrude to push in. And then another inner extrude, and then pop it out again. And then again we could use the bevel to get the edges. I've got no idea what this model is, I'm just teaching you the basics of modelling. So the other things that you might want to do is have a specific cut in an area. So for that you can use the line tools or the loop paths. So a line tool means that you can pretty much draw anything you want. Making sure that you go through all the views though, so that you can see what you're doing. But I don't do that. So I'll show you this one, which is, I find it the neatest because it keeps your polygons squared as well. So if you use loop paths as much as you can, also using these maximum angles and dropping it down will separate the bevels. It's a useful little trick. And then I guess the only other thing is really basic, so it's just about selecting points and edges, lifting, moving around to do what you want.